Hello, boys and girls. Yesterday we talked about the number 6. Today we're going to be talking about the number 7. So we're going to get started with a little Starfall introduction to 7, and then we're going to work through our workbook pages together.
7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hold up 7 fingers for me where you are. Let's see your 7 fingers. It's 5 on one hand and 2 on the other, kind of like we do for our 7 days of the week when we sing that song.
7.
Oh, we've got some tomatoes.
7.
7 red tomatoes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7.
7 orange pumpkins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
All right, let's switch over to our workbook page. It looks like this today, 3.3. You're going to get it out and put your name on the top. We're using our pencils for this. You're also going to need your counters in just a few minutes. All right, listen carefully. I want you to draw me 6 counters on in this workspace. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw me 6 counters. That's a number we've been talking about for the last few days. 6 counters. And then I want you to draw one more. If we had 6 and then we drew one more, how many do we have now? We have 7. 6 and one more is 7. Let's open up to the inside. All right, put your finger on the red apple. Let's count these counters in this 5 frame and underneath it together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's trace the 7 over here on the line. To make a 7, we go across, slant down to the left. All right, down here by the yellow sun, we're going to look at this picture. We have how many red counters in this 5 frame? Well, it's a 5 frame and it's full, so we have 5 red counters. And how many more yellow counters did we need to make 7? Let's count the yellow counters. 1, 2. So 5 and 2 more gives you 7. All right, put your finger on the green leaf. I want you to get your counters out, and I want you to count and model 7 counters for me in that 10 frame. I'm going to do it on mine too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many empty spaces do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we would need 3 more counters to make 10. But we've got 7. Use your counters to model 7. All right, on this page, we're going to kind of do what we did the other day. We did some different ways to make 6. I'm going to do 1 as an example for you of how to make 7. And then you're going to do some other ways. Remember I said your counters might be different colors. That's okay. Just use these spaces to record how many of one color and how many of the other you have. So I'm going to do 1. First I'm going to trace the 7. Across, slant down to the left. Then I'm going to show a way to make 7. I've got yellow counters first, so I'm going to use some yellow and some red. And I'm going to find a way to make 7. There's that smiley face counter again. Alright, let's see what way I've come up with to make 7. How many yellows did I use? 1, 2, 3 yellows. So right here beside the first yellow, I'm going to write a 3. And how many reds? 1, 2, 3, 4. So over here by the red, I'm going to write a 4. 3 yellows and 4 reds makes 7. I want you to come up with 3 other ways to make 7. You're going to use some of one color, some of another, and show me the different numbers you put together to make 7 in all. You can come back and finish that. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the directions for the back too, okay? On the back, by the red apple, I want you to circle the sets of carousel horses that have 7. There might be more than one, so count carefully. And then down here, I want you to draw me a set of 7 somethings. You can pick what you want to draw. 7 something. It could be a basketball, a flower, a smiley face, a triangle. So draw me a set of 7 objects in the bottom. All right, and tomorrow we will learn how to write 7. I will talk to you then.